I've seen a bunch of people do it a lot of different ways, and I think the best way you can really bring something from Illustrator to Photoshop is just copy and paste. So to show you that, I have my bus here, and so I'll select it, Control C to copy it, and then in Photoshop, Control V to paste it, and you'll have a couple options. Layers and smart objects are really your best bet. Almost never do pixels. Same thing with path. Shape layer is okay, but if you do layers, it'll open up a folder here with every piece as a shape layer. So you could change every color individually. They're all vector, so you don't have to worry about scaling it. But then the colors in Illustrator, like from Illustrator to Photoshop, are almost always wrong. They're just, I don't know if it's switching color modes or what, but it's never the same exact color. So usually what I do is just on the root folder, go to FX, color overlay, and then I'll just let's say red for the time being. But I'll almost always, even if it's just a black, I'll put a black color overlay so I know exactly what color it is. But yeah, so there it is. Easy as that. Just copy and paste from Illustrator to Photoshop.